Jai Srimanarayana. Fifth sloka of 10th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Ahimsa samata tushtihi tapodanam yaso yasaha bhavanti bhava bhutanam mattayeva prudhakvidhaha. Om. Always be interested in cultivating qualities like non-violence, equanimity, cheerfulness, austerity. Sri Krishna Paramatma will definitely bestow you those qualities because Krishna Paramatma is the source of all these divine qualities. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I am very much interested in cultivating qualities like non-violence, cheerfulness, equanimity, austerity. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, please bestow those divine good qualities to me because you are the source of all those divine qualities. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall act according to your word. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandham, 10th Skandham, 115th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, in Nandavraj, all the Gopikas came to Yashoda and complaining about Krishna's mischievous activities, saying like this, "Oh Yashoda, what your son have done, One Gopika she is pregnant. When Krishna went to sit in her lap, she said, "Oh Krishna, I am pregnant. Please keep away from me." Then you know what your son has asked her? "Oh Sundari, చూలగుటకున్ ఏ మూలంబు చెప్పుమనె నీ బాలుడు చెప్పుదురెసతులు పర్వేందుముఖీ." Your Krishna asked her, "Oh my dear girl, how did you get this pregnancy?" That is what your son Krishna asked her. Can any boy ask like that, Yasoda? If at all anyone asks, how can any woman can answer that? Not only that, Yasoda, what he has done is, "Nammi nidurabova na patti chunchu ma legato katodali lagatti వీధులందు దోళె వెలది నీ కొమరుండు." One day, my son, after playing, he was sleeping. Then what your son Krishna has done, he came and he tied calf's tail to the hair of my son who is sleeping. He tied like that, and then he asked that calf, he drove that calf into streets. Yasoda, do you expect any other child to do this kind of mischievous activities? I know your husband is the leader of this village. Just because of that, no leader's son can do like this, Yasoda. Like that, all the Gopikas complaining. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 10th chapter, 5th sloka. Ahimsa samata tushtihi tapodanam yaso yasaha bhavanti bhava bhutanam matta eva prudhak vidhaha. Ahimsa samata tushtihi tapodanam yaso yasaha bhavanti bhava bhutanam matta eva prudhak vidhaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.